what causes problems? Problems means worries. Now what causes worries is your thought process only. It's you who is creating it. So how do you get over it? That is the most important part. So each and every negative emotion, once you understand how it has come, and most important is the anger part, which is caused by the ego. So I started with saying that you remove that ego. When you address the other person, always address the other person as if you are addressing the inner self of that person. And what is the language? How do you interact? The language is only love. Compassionate love. Feeling for the other person. So how do you do it? The love, nobody has to be taught how to love. It's so natural. That's why it is said that everybody has the divine in you. When you have that divine, you know that divine language. If you speak softly and with love, with warmth, do you think the other person will not like it? Everybody will like it, irrespective whether he knows you or doesn't know you. What do you lose? You don't lose anything. What do you gain? You have gained the positive energy. You feel good. That good feeling is itself an indication that a general well-being has come in.
But सामने वाला हमेशा प्यार से नहीं बोलता है. So when you do प्यार and then
that's very good question. Very good question. I agree with you. But are you concerned with yourself or are you concerned with the other person? Your character, your personality is not dependent on anybody else's behavior. That is one thing.
It takes a lot out of you to do that.
No, it doesn't take. It's your understanding. It's only your understanding. See, as she asked, what should I do in such situations? Do I get away or be away or just say I don't agree? Fine, you don't agree. But you can't lose your own character just because of somebody else's behavior.
But like Bhavna says, even if you say, I don't agree and walk away,
you may or may not walk away. It's your choice.
But even when you say, let's say I tell Bhavna very nicely, whatever she has said, I say, Bhavna, I don't agree. I think, maybe this is my perception, it'll put Bhavna also like, okay, Bhavna will say, let me justify it, explain it to you a little bit more and see my point of view.
There are two ways of saying I don't agree. You don't have to speak it out also.
Oh.
You need not.
Okay.
Depending on the situation. Your body language itself will indicate that you are not agreeing with the other person. Not that you are ignoring the person, but you are not agreeing with it.
पर फिर अंदर में विचार पकते रहते हैं.
किसके?
अपने ही अंदर.
No, you should be free. See, that is where you have to learn.
Either you spit it out or
the learning part is that only, that you just ignore that thought process of the other person, because what is important is your character is not dependent on the other person's behavior. Please be very clear. If you start reacting, then you are also same as what the other person is. Then you have no right to say that the other person is wrong. I mean, this is very important to understand. There are so many types of people, so many interactions in daily life. You can't have control over others. You can have control over yourself. And your own character is your own. So, never ever say that सामने वाला नहीं कर, सामने वाले की चिंता मत करो. क्यों नहीं करना? I will explain that. Because whatever you do, if it is creating well-being, it creates a good feeling, believe me, it will create a good feeling for the other person also. Because all of us are divine. It is only the outside behavior of the person which is not able to control because of his software.
Malfunction. Because of a software malfunction, right?
Not malfunctioning,
Just
it is
delete
that
it.
software with
So much
certain
virus.
viruses.
So much virus.
So you can't help it. Now why I said persistent behavior, if you continue with negative emotions, why I say persistent is, many of you are from negative field. I was discussing the other day, the mutations of the cells take place. The structure of the cell changes, and that causes the uncontrolled growth of that cell, which ultimately lands up as cancer. So these are some things which you need to make it very clear. No such behavior, no such persistence which will cause body changes. And you all know, whatever your thought is, acidity ho gayi. Is it not through your tension? Misuse of the body is a different aspect of the creation of acidity. But it is the thought process, the tension which you give to yourself and the others, which is causing acidity. Now what has happened? What has happened? The body changes have taken place, chemicals have been created in your body which are in excess. Who has created that? Who created that? Your mind, your thought process. So look at the power of the mind. The mind can generate chemicals which can be harmful, and it also can create chemicals which are beneficial. Choice is with you. Which one do you choose to generate? So there are advanced methods which you can give commands and generate chemicals for your body. All the viruses, all the germs, all the bacteria, all the abnormal cells, I don't know how many of you might have read also, there are certain machines which are made to generate certain frequencies which are equal in amplitude and frequency but opposite in phase to the frequency and amplitude of the particular cell, which is an unhealthy cell, or the bacteria, or each and every cell, whether it is bacteria or virus or anything, has a certain frequency. You can generate that energy through the command, through the use of Reiki, to create that energy which is exactly same in amplitude and frequency but opposite in phase, to immobilize that particular cell, then destroy it, kill it, and remove it from the body system. Now that powerful is this energy, this subtle energy. In fact, I had read one book called The Field by Lynn Megard. That lady has total statistical data of what this energy is. And in that book they have mentioned that there was a particular machine created, invented by two scientists, which was destroyed along with the whole building by the pharmaceutical giants because they would lose business. because this was exactly doing the same thing, amplitude, frequency same, opposite in phase to that particular cell frequency, which was a cancerous cell. So what I am trying to drive at is, your body is so powerful that you can literally remove all the problems of your body. Not that allopathy is dead, not that any medicine is dead. There are emergencies where you will need it, but this is a complementary where you can 90% of the time keep yourself healthy without any medicine. That medicine is created by your own body. Your body rhythm, which you are quite familiar, makes you sleep at your sleeping time. 10 o'clock you start feeling drowsy because you have. Now why does that happen? Because it generates certain chemicals and you feel drowsy and you feel sleepy, you sleep. You don't get sleep. What does it mean? That there is a deficiency of that chemical. The body is not producing that much chemical to give you proper sleep. You take in those tablets, Restil tablet. What is that? Exactly that same chemical, which then induces sleep. So body gets a signal, outside chemical has come, please stop whatever you are producing. So it stops. It depends on that outside Restil tablet. So once you stop that tablet, you are very upset. Neend nahi aati. Why? Because your body system has stopped. So get into the habit of training your body to create all the chemicals. Now how do you do that? Unless and until you are all the energy centers